How to turn on comments notifications on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on comments notifications on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and now just click these three lines in the top corner and then just click settings, and here you will find this one here, notifications, and then just go down. Here you will find comments. All you need to do, just click on it one click and you can turn it on. As you see, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.